Okay. So, hello everyone. Good evening to all. We both are Arush and Sanyog. Today we will teach you how to make an Android app. As it is a demo, we will only give the introduction to you. So,
We will make a short app that will be made in a small time, and then you can register for the basic batch.
first of all, tell me, you all have joined with the laptop, computer, or tablet now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, very good.
So
Tablet.
now you all can
From tablet.
mute yourself, and if you have any query, just simply raise your hand.
Okay,
Please
sir.
mute yourself. You please mute yourself. Okay. So, moving to the next slide.
So now, what do you understand by an Android app?
Can anyone tell? If you want to tell, you can raise your hand. What do you actually understand by a Android app? What does it mean? Yes, Prakhar, please.
You can unmute yourself.
Yes, it is basically an app which functions in Android operating system.
Yeah, you are right. Any other thing?
Yeah, that's somehow right.
Any
That
other?
much only.
Anyone else want to try? Okay. So Android app, it is an application which gives us information on various things. It controls our. Sometimes there are some apps which can also control our Android phone. Basically, there are many apps. We have divided them into many categories. Such some are translator apps, responder apps, and there are many types of apps. But today we have made a talking app. In this demo session, we will make a talking app. So moving to the next slide now.
Yeah.
So
So
they both are Shravan Kumar and Sanjay Kumar, who were the that India's youngest app developers. They have created. They are also the owner of a application company. You can see the information, and there is also a quotation. If they can do it, why can't you do?
yeah, so the software from which we will be making an Android application is MIT App Inventor. It is basically made by the MIT College in USA, and this is the latest version of the MIT App Inventor. The second version is the latest version, and we will be using that only. So it was made in December 2010. So now one more question for you. Can you tell that who made Android application, this MIT App Inventor 2, and what is the use for that? You can just guess and then we will tell you.
Is there anyone?
You can unmute yourself and say.
Okay, so as there is no answer, okay, Keshav, are you having the answer?
This application is made by MIT College for making Android applications.
Very good,
Yeah,
very good.
that's right.
But
And
anything
you
else?
must be having an Android phone to run the application because it will not work in any other phone.
Okay, so now I am telling you that who made the app inventor
Mark
software.
Friedman.
What?
Mark Friedman.
Mark Friedman.
Okay, I think you have used Google. Am I right or no?
No.
Okay, so
Okay, so
now let's come
you
to
have
the that
1 minute.
software.
You have only told the name of Mark Friedman, who is the only. There were two persons who created the MIT App Inventor. One was Mark Friedman, and another is Hal Abelson.
Yeah,
So
so
this is
now
correct information.
let's come to the MIT App Inventor on Google. You can just simply open the web browser on your systems, and here you have to type MIT App Inventor 2. And you have to just search that. Is everybody done with the searching part?
If you have done, you can simply raise your hand. Okay, Prakhar has done, Arnav Sani has done, Ishwanvi
Be
Sani
quick,
has
be quick.
done.
We have to do it in our Android phone or tab.
If you are having a tab, laptop, or computer, it is more preferable because you can easily do in that.
Only 3 students are raising hand. What about others?
Okay, Jasleen Sandhu, Rishi Arora, Rajvi Sani.
Yeah, so now I think everybody's done. Now over here you would be seeing the first option, MIT App Inventor. You have to just simply click on this and you will reach a screen somewhat like this. Quickly reach the screen, and if anybody faces problem, then please tell.
One more information. As you're seeing the site of the MIT, here I am, 1 minute, I am annotating. Here you can see that it has written the finalist of the MIT App Inventor Hackathon 2020, a global hackathon for good. Uh, the finalists have been announced. So I am telling you that in that finalist, we were also. Our team created an app named Let's Live Together with the help of Maker Zunia, and it also came till the finals. And now we have won that hackathon. We stood second position, and at the basis of judging. And in the Pupil Choice Awards, that was for voting, we stood first.
Yeah, so you can click on this finalist button and you can just
You can get
simply
the
see the
information.
result. So now please everybody raise hand, those who are done with the part I have told till now.
I think most have done, so we can
Yeah,
continue.
so now let's
Excuse
begin.
me.
Yeah.
I want to ask that after clicking on that link appinventor.mit.edu, how to download that after clicking on that link?
No, you
Uh,
can't download that. You have to run it online only.
Oh, on the option create apps.
Yeah,
yes.
now you have to click on this orange button, create apps. And
Now
then
you
you
can
will
lower down your
reach,
hands.
now you will reach this type of screen. Here you have to search your account from which you want to run. So I am choosing my account. You can also choose. And please let me know if anybody faces problem in between. You can just unmute yourself and say your problem.
I am seeing that many students have not joined the meeting.
Yeah. We'll just simply share the recording with them.
I am also
So
taking the attendance.
yeah, you can. And now you will reach this screen. So these are my apps. I am using MIT since 2-3 months and I have made many apps.
What we have to click?
You have reached the screen.
No.
Yeah, quickly
Where
reach,
are
and
you?
if you face any
We
problem,
have
then
reached the
simply tell me.
screen. What we have to do?
Everybody has reached here where I am.
Yes.
Okay, those who have not reached, just simply write N in the chat box, and those who have reached, simply write Y in the chat box.
Chat box is disabled.
Yeah, I have enabled it now. You can just simply write it.
Okay, Daksh has not
Okay.
written.
I am seeing 2 students are facing problem. Okay, so those who are facing problem, just share me your screen. I am just enabling screen share. Share me your screen. Yeah, so this is the screen because you have not created any app yet. So it will come like this only. So
It
you
is coming that choose your account.
no, this screen is fine. Now further I will tell you that how can you create apps. There are many options, so you will be learning. This is fine till now. You can just stop sharing your screen. Yeah, now who are facing problem, they can share the screen quickly.
We can make only Android apps with this platform or iOS apps also.
No,
Only
we can
Android.
only make Android apps.
Okay, thanks. We have to click on create apps.
Yeah, you have to click on create apps. Daksh was also facing problem. He has written no that he has not reached the screen. So if you have reached, then it's fine. Else you can share me the screen. Yeah, this is a form. You
It is
can just
coming choose an account. It is coming choose an account.
So
you
To
you have to
can
continue.
choose
you
your
can
account.
go end of
Go
the
down.
screen. At the end of the screen,
You have to click on I accept that.
yeah,
Terms
you have to
of
accept these
services.
terms and conditions.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
I want to ask that now what to do after opening this. I've opened that, but nothing is happening.
Yeah, we
Wait a
will tell
minute.
you that. Just a minute, we will tell you that. Let
Continue.
everybody reach. Yeah, so this is fine. You can just close the screen. Click on close. Yes. So now you can stop sharing your screen, and I hope everybody has reached.
Please, all of you, mute yourself.
So now let's come back to the topic. Now you have to click on start new project. This is the button over here, start new project. Click on this. Okay, so now it will ask you for the project name. So we are going to make an app named Hello Makers. And you would be seeing that it is giving me an error that project name cannot contain spaces. So this is a function of MIT that it does not that it cannot contain any space in between the project name. So for that you have to use an underscore.
Sayuk, can you please take the screenshot of the attendance?
Yeah, I will take. So now you have to click on OK. You can click on OK. You have to write the name Hello Makers. Then you will reach a screen like this. Everybody is done. You can raise your hand if done.
Can we publish this app on Play Store?
Yeah, but we will not teach you right now.
We will give the information in the basic one.
Yeah,
And
you
at
have
the
to
last
register
of this
first.
session, when it will be 5 minutes to end the session, we will give the link of registering yourself for the basic batch in the chat box. There will be only 10 seats.
Yeah, so you have to register quickly. After the first 10 student register, we will close the registrations.
Asayok, can you please show them the PPT of Hello Makers?
Yeah, so here it is. This is the app Hello Makers. Your app will look some like this screen. There will be a button. We will using a label, and the information about that will be given to you, that how are these components
It is
used.
a surprising app in which when you will click on this click button, there will be a magic.
Yeah, so everybody has reached here. Please raise your hands.
What we
Sayok,
have to
first of
click? What we have to click in this?
start new project.
You are on this screen.
Yes. No.
On this screen.
Yes.
Yeah, now further I will be telling you. First, everybody reach the screen. Yeah,
There are 20
so
students
everybody
right
has
now,
reached, I
so
hope.
please take screenshot.
Now this is the editor.
Excuse
This
me,
is the designer window. Yeah.
सर उसके बाद क्या करना है जो आपने स्क्रीन भेजी है?
आप इस स्क्रीन पे पहुंच गए हैं?
Yes sir.
हाँ. So this is the designing window of MIT. There are two windows, block window and designer window. So here you can design your app. So it is divided into 4 parts. First is the palette, second is viewer, third is components, and fourth is properties. So in the
Designing is that how the app will look. Designing is that how the app will look, and coding is that how it will work.
yeah, it's right. And these are all the components. Here you can just simply put it and drop it over the screen. And this is the viewer section. Viewer section, you would be understanding. Here you can view a look of your app. You can have a look. And in the component section, you can see all the components that you have dropped over your screen. And in the properties, you will get the properties of your screen, that you can adjust it, the size, width, everything. Now I am
Excuse me.
overing it to Arush. He will tell you how to design the app.
First of all, I am seeing that there are two Yug Segals.
Yeah, so are you same or one only? You have joined from two devices.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Yes, Keshav.
Can we use an iPad or a MacBook?
Yes.
Okay.
You can use.
You
Rishi,
can
please
use,
stop share.
but maybe it
Rishi,
will be
Rishi, please
difficult
stop
for you
share.
to do that.
Rishi, please stop share. Hello, Rishi, please stop share.
Arush, now you can share your screen and tell the designing.
Yes, yes. I am doing. Yes, I have started the screen share. So this is the designer window. So first of all, you are seeing that this is the component list. This one, this is showing that what are the components we have used in our app. So there is a basic one, screen one, which tells us about the screen. So you can see that third property, we have to change it to center 3. Be careful, you have to change it to center 3.
Yeah, you have to follow the points that we are telling, else it will be a tough
And
trouble for you.
you can set the background color to any. As I'm choosing green, you can choose any. Now I will change the screen orientation to sensor. Sensor means that if your phone will be in landscape mode, it will also adjust in landscape mode. If your phone will be in portrait mode, it will also adjust in portrait mode. So, okay, so everyone, can you let me know that have you done these property changes or not?
Yeah, you can write Y in the chat box.
Till that
Excuse
Sayog,
me.
yes,
Please do it again. Please do it again.
repeat again, okay. You can see this screen one. It is here is the properties panel. So we have to change the align horizontal to center. It was left, we have to change to center, and the align vertical to also center. Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. We will change the background color to green, or as you want. You can change the background color to any you want. And we will change the screen orientation. Earlier it was unspecified. Now we have to change it to sensor. Sensor means that if your phone will be in landscape mode, it will also adjust in landscape mode. If your phone will be in portrait mode, it will also adjust in portrait mode. So have everybody done?
Yeah, no one has written in the chat box. I think everybody has done.
Excuse me.
Okay. Yes.
Can you please explain open screen animation? Oh, sorry, what you were saying about landscape or portrait. Where is that option? I can't see in my laptop.
So Prakhar, you can see this properties panel. So you have to come this screen orientation below the primary color dark. You can see
Hello,
this
sir.
animation. Yes.
Yeah, I think Rishi is having problem. He has written no in the chat box.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Yug Segal.
Sir, I by chance add the image in the phone. How I
What?
delete?
What?
I by chance add image in the phone.
You added like this.
Yes, sir. Why,
So
sir?
you can see it is written components here. You have to simply click on delete and delete. Image component will be deleted.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, many participants are raising hand. Are you having any query?
I think they have done. That's why they are raising. Okay,
Yeah,
Sanyog, please quickly
Rishi
take
is
the
having
screenshot.
problem. He has written no in the chat box. So I think we have to look for him.
Please unmute him.
Participants can unmute themselves.
First of all, Sanyog, as you are not explaining right now, so can you take the screenshot because we are having 21 participants right now.
Yeah, I am taking the screenshot.
Okay, so I think everybody has done. If you will be having any query, so you can contact us. You can contact to that number from which you have got the email, that ID and password. So now we will click on label. Okay, this is the label in the user interface.
What if
You
you
can
save the certificate?
Arush, you can continue with the work. I think due to some network issue, Arush is disconnected or something. Are you all able to listen, Arush, or not?
No.
No. Okay. Yeah, he is disconnected. No problem. I'll continue, and when he will come, then I'll tell you. So yeah, the properties I'm repeating: align horizontal to center over here, align vertical also center, and background color anything you can keep, and the screen orientation will be sensor. So everybody is done with the properties.
Yes.
Please unmute yourself and say.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so everybody is done. Now we
Sir,
will
what
be.
sensor?
We have to keep the screen orientation as sensor over here. So now we will be learning about a new component from the palette area. You can see over here the first component, button. Just take it and drop it over here. Everybody done?
Excuse me.
Please
Yes.
tell it again.
Yeah, from the palette area, you have to take a button and you have to drop it over the screen. The button is over here in the palette section, the first component. So have you done with that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now moving forward. So the button is basically a component that is used to add a function in your screen, or you can say mobile app. We will set a function for that, like when you will, a button is a clickable thing also. So when you will click it, then a function will be performed that we will set in the block section. So now there are again the properties of button. You
Hello,
can,
hello.
yeah, Arish is also back here.
Yes, I'm back. Now I can explain.
Yeah.
So can I share the screen, please? So as we were here, now we will simply drag and drop a label. You have to take from the palette to
First,
the,
I have told them to drop a button. So you can explain about the button first.
okay. So I will delete that. So this is a button. We have dropped it. Now we will change its properties. So we have to change it to font bold, font italic. Size will be 24. The font type space will be serif. You can see that. And if you want, you can change the background color to red. Width will be automatic. And the text for the button will be click on me. And you can change the text color to white. Please let me know if you all have done.
And in the designing part, the background color and the text color can be of your choice also. And
And
this
please hurry
meeting will
up. We
be
are having
disconnected. In 10 minutes, it will be disconnected. So you can just simply rejoin if the work will not be done.
and now we will add a label above it. We have added a label. We will change its background color to orange. Font bold, font italic. We will change the font size to 24. That 20. Now we will change the width to fill parent. There will be no change in the font space. Text alignment will be center. Text will be welcome to my app. Click on below button for magic.
Yeah, so this label component is basically used for writing headings or any text in your app. We do not set any function or anything for that. We just simply do it in the designing part.
Can you
And
explain
as you
label
are
part again?
label part again, okay. So I am deleting the label component. So I will add a label like this by dragging and drop. I will change the font bold, font italic, background color will be orange, font size will be 20, font type space we will not change, width will be fill parent, text will be center, text for label, welcome.
Uh, you can simply say if you face any problem. We will explain it again. So I am repeating the properties once again. You have to check the font bold property above, and you have to do the font size from 14 to 20. Then the width will be fill parent. We will not change the font type space in this, and the text will be welcome to my app. Click on the button for magic. Text alignment will be center. So this text alignment property is basically used for aligning the text. If you do it left, then the text will be started from the left side, but we have kept it as center now.
And
And you
as you are
can,
seeing that this label is overlapping above the button, but in your app when we will build it, it will come, uh, it will be okay at that time. It will not overlap in your phone when we will build it.
and
So
the
Sayed,
building
can you?
part, Arish will tell you at the last of the session. Yeah, so
And one
now,
more information, you all have to rejoin for 10 or 20 minutes. We will, because we will be giving a very important information in that 10 to 20 minutes. So Sayuk, can you now explain the coding part?
yeah, so everybody is done with the designing part. You can just simply drop Y, or if not done, then drop N in the chat
Okay,
box.
Raju has done, Khush has done, Daksh Bhatt has done.
Yeah.
Prakhar Agarwal has
All
done.
of you, please drop Y or N in the chat box so that we can know.
In my screen, it is going out of my phone. Welcome to my app. Click on below here.
This.
Mine also.
You can
Oh,
share the screen. You all can share the screen one by one.
Okay, I will share.
Yeah.
this one. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
There is
because
there is no need to worry, because when you will build it, it will come as in my it is coming. These both will be in a proper manner. No need to worry for that.
okay, so can you tell me one thing? Just simply click on the label in the components property. Please go back to that screen.
Sayek, first of all, have you taken the screenshot?
Yeah, I have taken that.
Can you please show our properties? Phone goal.
Okay, yeah. Arnav, I was saying to you only, you can just go at the top of the screen.
Click on
Now,
label this.
in the component section, you can click on label. Yeah, now you can see that width you have done a automatic. So it will
Yes, you have to
only
do
cover
fill pair.
the default space. You have to do it fill parent to add as much text you want. The width property you would be seeing.
Change the
Yeah,
width to
do
fill
it
pair.
fill
Yes.
parent and click on OK. Yeah, like now it is coming properly.
In your when you will build this app, it will come in a proper manner.
Yeah. Anybody
Okay,
is
so
facing any issue like that, so you can just check that your width is fill parent or automatic.
okay, so now please stop the share. We can carry on with the coding now.
Yeah,
Excuse
now,
me.
yeah.
Can you tell 5 minutes before that you are going to give the link?
For registration,
Yes.
so we have decided to give in the next 10 to 20 minutes, because this meeting will get disconnected in 2 minutes, and we have to
Okay.
complete our app
We have to join the meeting today
So
only.
today
yeah,
only. Yes.
Daksh, you have not made your
And
app
what
properly.
time?
You
At
have
what time?
One minute.
let
Arnav,
me first
you
correct Daksh. So first you can go to the top of the screen. You have some faults that you have not done properly. Please go at the top of the screen, Daksh. Yeah, now over the component section, you would be seeing the screen 1 and a small plus at the left side there. Please click on that plus. Yeah, now now your components all are coming. So now you can just simply click on this image. We are not going to learn about the image component today. Now click on delete at the last after clicking on image,
Daksh.
and delete this component. We are not going to learn about this today. Now you can see you have not done the align horizontal here. This is, and align vertical to center. This is to be done as center. Do it as a center. In screen 1 properties. In screen 1 properties. Click on screen 1 in the component section. Now do the align horizontal to center and align vertical to center. Now it's coming in center. Now go on button. Yeah, and now the properties Arish will tell you that what you have not changed.
So first of all, you have done the wrong thing, that you have to set the label text to font bold and the font to italic. And you have to change the text to 24. Of the label, you have to change to 20.
Yeah,
And you will also change that width to fill parent.
yep.
Yes, you have to click on fill parent.
Yeah, you have not also written the full text. So can you please, Arish, tell the text, whole text?
Yes, first of all, change the text element. Yes, this only to center.